gone by, beneath a wide and endless sky. The melodies still fill my soul. They make my broken spirit whole. Each gentle chord, a tender sigh, is timeless feelings softly fly through silent halls where echoes roam. The heart finds solace, finds its home. Oh, take me back, September.